Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on XML syntax. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, and it's a way to store and organize data in a structured format. In this tutorial, we'll go over the basic syntax of XML so you can start using it in your projects. Let's start with the basic structure of an XML document. An XML document starts with a declaration that tells the parser that this is an XML document. The declaration looks like this. The version and encoding attributes can be customized based on your needs, but the version attribute is required. Next, we have XML elements. An element is a container that holds data. It has an opening tag and a closing tag, and the data goes in between the two. Here's an example. The opening tag starts with the element name, followed by any attributes in the format of name-value pairs, and closed in double quotes. The closing tag is the same as the opening tag, except with a / before the element name. And the data goes in between the tags. Elements can also be nested inside other elements. This creates a hierarchy of data, like a tree structure. Here's an example. The parent element contains two child elements, each with their own data. Finally, we have XML attributes. An attribute is an extra information about an element that isn't part of the data inside the element. Here's an example. The attribute goes inside the opening tag, after the element name. It has a name-value pair format, just like in the XML declaration. That's it for the basic syntax of XML. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.